So hello everyone, this is Hitesh Mehta. So in this video we are going to create an alarm clock using Python. Okay, so let's just begin without any further ado. Just a quick reminder that if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's begin. For the alarm clock for building an alarm clock, we need to import one module here, that is date time module. Okay, let's import this date time module as some say dt. Okay, let's import it as dt. Now now what we are going to do is, first of all, we have to ask the user at what time does he want to wake. Okay, so let me take two separate variables. One is hour and the other one is minute. Okay, so let me take any variable called hr and let's ask the user input. Okay, enter the hour at which you want to, okay, wake up simply. So here user will give us the hour at which he wants to wake up, and then similarly for, let us take another variable called minute. Okay, so just let me just do this. Minute equal to enter the minute. Okay, so we have asked the user for the hour as well as the minute. So that's it. We have asked the user to enter the timings at which he wants to wake up. Now now what are we going to do is, let me take other variable called am or pm. Okay, sorry, I'm very sorry, just a minute. Am or pm. Okay, and let's ask here the user enter am or pm. Okay, so enter am or pm. Now now one thing that should be taken care of is, if am pm equal to pm. Okay, if it is equal to pm, then we have to increase the hours, number of hours, by 12. Okay, because then only it will synchronize with the date time module. Okay, now, so if am pm equal to pm, we have increased the time, increased the hours by a value of 12. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to use a while loop that will run endlessly. Okay, endlessly while true. Okay, it will always run because the given condition, that is the no condition, is true. Okay, now, if, why we have imported datetime module? See, if our r, if the r equal to dt, the dt is datetime module dot datetime. What does this dt represents? Datetime module. And this datetime, it represents the datetime function which is built in datetime module. So dt dot datetime dot now, so it will just read the timing which is currently with the current timings of your location. Okay, so it is if r equal to dt dot datetime dot now. And one more thing, don't forget to put dot r. Okay, because you are comparing with the r time, not the complete timings. And similarly for the minute, let me just copy it down. If minute, if mn equal to the date time dot now, and instead of our minute. Okay, so if the current timing matches with the timings that have been entered by the user, then print the message. Okay, you can here type any of the messages that you want to print to your user. So let's say, let's print, hey, wake up, you are getting late. Okay, some message like this. And yes, and don't forget, you have to break the loop. if you have if you have completed the task, you have to break the loop. So that's it. That's the code for the alarm clock. Let's run this program. So at the enter the hour at which you want to wake up. So in my timing, in my location, the current timing is 12:14 a.m. Okay, it's 12:14 a.m. But don't forget, you have to put the hours as 0. Okay, because this clock runs from 0 to 24 hours. So 0, and at what minute? So let's take it only for 1 minute, 15 minutes, and am. Okay, so now let's wait for the time to change for 1 minute, less than 1 minute, and we can see as soon as the time changes, we would be able to see the output. So let's just wait for some more time. Yes, see, so the timing has changed, and as well as now it shows, hey, wake up, you are getting late. Okay, so that's it for the code for this alarm clock. I'll give the link to this code in the description box. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.